Okay?
Can you drink the water?
Just relax for a Do not pull away from me. You're going in cuffs. You're going in cuffs.
That's her. That's her right there. That's her.
Oh my God!
Okay, ma'am, I need you to put your phone down and come with me, please.
On January 13th, 2026, police were called to a location after receiving reports of a physical altercation in a bathroom. The victim, an adult woman, was attacked by another woman, a jealous ex-girlfriend. Imagine you're at a social event, perhaps a party or a gathering, and suddenly a personal conflict escalates into physical violence. That's what happened in this case.
Hey, what's happening?
She just got beat up in the bathroom
By who?
She sat at our table.
Where's the person?
Can I show you what actually happened?
Yeah, just
I have a video
do me a
because
favor,
I was waiting.
Do me a favor, just
in the
stand
bathroom.
right here, okay? Just wait right here for me, okay? Right there. Don't go any further. Just wait right there, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, over here. Over here.
Don't grab me.
Don't
grab me.
You stay right here. Stay right there. I told you to stay here, so stay here. Okay? Hey, back up. Do not pull away from me. Do not pull away from me. Back up. Stay here. Do not move, okay? Do you understand?
Do you understand? Don't touch me like this.
Do you understand not to move?
Do you understand?
Back up. Back up.
Do you
Back
understand?
up.
I am trying to help you.
Okay,
with
right
the
now I
video.
need you to stay here, and do you understand?
Because I will press
Hey,
charges on you.
stay here with her. Back up 25 feet. Stay here with her. Do not pull away from me.
Don't.
You're going in cuffs. You're going in cuffs.
How am I going to get cuffed when I'm trying to?
Stop pulling away. Stop pulling away. Stop pulling away. Stop pulling away. Stop pulling away.
Take my phone.
Stop pulling away. Or you're going to be under arrest. Stop.
Are you kidding me? You did not put her in the bathroom? Yes. Hey, I was in the bathroom.
Okay.
She didn't do anything.
Okay, back up for a second. I'll talk to you in a second.
She didn't do anything. This girl did not do anything at all.
Okay, I will talk to you in a second.
Are you listening to everything?
You're being detained because you're not listening. All right? I just asked you a simple thing to stay right there. All right? I will talk to you in a second. Thank you. Please stay right there. Stay with her, please.
Can we talk to her, please?
Okay, what's happening? Do you need a
I'm okay. Yes. She looks rough as fuck.
call 711?
Someone doesn't
Can
like
you send
me.
rescue, please?
Someone doesn't like me.
Got an older female with a head injury, mouth injury.
I just
So what
wanna go
happened?
home. I just want to go home.
But what happened?
I went to the bathroom, and there's someone in there that doesn't like me.
Okay.
And I just wanted to pee. That's all I wanted to do.
Did somebody hurt you?
And,
Who? Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Someone
Who?
assaulted
Okay,
and
who?
punched me.
Who? Do you know this person?
No, I do not know.
Okay, what did this person look like?
She is. So she's been on my camera. She doesn't like me.
Okay, so you do know who she is.
Well, I don't know who she is.
What does she look like?
She's tall. She's blonde. Maybe blonde.
Okay. Do you,
Allie?
do you see
I
the
don't
woman
know.
standing over there with the green dress?
I don't know who she is. Like, I
Okay.
don't know who this person
Okay,
is that
okay.
dislikes me so much.
Okay. Just
that
do me a
wants-
favor, stay here.
I just want to
Do
go.
me okay.
I have been gone for a freaking month.
Okay.
I just
So listen.
came home.
Okay.
This has been my home.
Okay.
I just got home.
I understand.
today.
I understand.
Shortly after the emergency call, police arrived at the scene, likely a bar or event venue, judging by the crowd and the drinks present. A witness immediately reported, "He just got beat up in the bathroom." This was a crucial step. Police must quickly identify the victim and the perpetrator to prevent further violence.
This girl that's in handcuffs
Okay, can I
had
talk to
nothing.
you over here?
Yes, please.
Okay. So I need you to start from the beginning of what you're trying to tell me.
Okay, so I went.
Do you know how she got hurt, first of all?
Yes, I went
Okay.
to the bathroom. There was a girl in a red dress that just started beating her ass. I don't know why. I'm not sure where she is, but she's a blonde girl. That's her. That's her right there. That's her. Oh my God!
Okay, ma'am, I need you to put your phone down and come with me, please. Hey, detain her for me. Just stay here with her.
Stay over here with me.
Hold this phone. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah.
So this lady here, what's her involvement?
I didn't see her involved at all. I don't think she needs to be in handcuffs at all.
All right.
She's just trying to help. Nothing.
So
there was that red dress girl beating that other girl's ass.
Okay. So if you can stand over there, please.
I will, yeah.
Thank you. All right. So I'm going to take you out of cuffs now. Okay. So if you can please turn around. Just so you know.
And all I'm trying to do is show you the video.
Okay, but listen, I got here, there's a woman with her face bleeding, everybody's talking to me, someone identified you, so I asked you to stay here, and you didn't listen, okay? All right, so just chill out, relax, just so you know.
I am calm.
Just so you know, you can't be placed under arrest, but I'm not going to do that, okay?
In standard procedure, as in California or similar states, officers prioritize scene safety, ensuring there is no active threat. The victim, an adult female with wounds to her head and mouth, appeared to be in shock.
I'm literally standing here, and she is instigating the whole situation.
Who's instigating?
The woman in the black dress that got hit.
So this is your phone, you were there?
Yes, I was standing in line for the bathroom, and this woman came up to both of them.
Okay.
If you'd like to listen, she's calling them white trash and all of this stuff. And then she's trying to make him get out of the bathroom.
Okay, this is inside the bathroom, correct?
This is in the bathroom, yes. She is the instigator of this whole situation. And where am I bleeding from? Or do you have somebody else's blood on me right now? You want me to send this to you or something?
Yeah, please.
No, that's fine.
Okay, thank you.
Can I get an apology for you slamming me up against the car? That was inappropriate.
Okay, so listen to me. Okay, you need to listen. I understand you're upset.
Can we talk like civilized human beings?
Are we doing that now?
Yes, but please don't degrade me because I'm not trying to help you guys out.
I understand. Okay, and that's why I'm not taking you to jail. Okay, because
I didn't do anything wrong.
Well, you did. That's what I need you to understand.
What did I do wrong? Please.
I'm about to explain to you, but you keep interrupting me. Okay, when an officer comes on scene and there's a fight, and an officer tells you stay right here, that's where you need to stay. You were walking away. I told you to get back. Back up, sir.
I did.
Back up. No, it's not okay. Back up. Then back up.
You don't care about that.
So I asked you to stay there, and you didn't. I asked you to come back and stay again, and you still didn't. Okay?
I didn't hear that because literally all I'm hearing. No, I didn't.
Yes,
you can't tell
because
me what
I told
heard.
you right in your face. Yes.
No, you didn't.
Okay.
Because
So are we going to keep doing this?
The first thing
are we
I heard
keep
from
doing
you was you slamming me.
Are we going to
against
keep
the car.
doing this? Because again, I can place you under arrest for resisting. Okay, I don't want to do that because honestly, I see that you were trying to help. But what you need to understand is that when an officer tells you to stay somewhere, you stay. Okay?
We can put a report in tomorrow.
This is my sergeant if you want to talk to him.
This is an example of self-defense versus escalation. In U.S. law, the first blow can be considered self-defense if there is a threat, but the police must investigate both sides. A temporary detention like this isn't an arrest, but rather a way to control the situation. Laws like U.S. Code Article 18, Section 3142 allow this if there's a risk of disturbance. The woman was released without charge after being cooperative, but here's a reminder. Obey police orders to avoid further problems.
I just saw a video what happened.
You saw it,
okay.
didn't you? Yeah.
I did.
I told
okay.
you. Right.
But thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. So my question to you
Started
is,
that shit.
I know, I saw. My question to you is, do you want to press charges against her?
I think I do.
You do.
I almost went to the cops like 3 weeks ago because I have no saliva. I have been drinking, but I was in there.
That's completely
For
fine.
like a year and a half, she's been on my ass. And she thinks, can I just be honest? She thinks I'm her ex, and I'm not. I swear to God, I have no reason not to tell you the truth. And so she just goes crazy when she sees me out. I said, what do I do with this? Because she just keeps coming after me. Like, I have parrot video.
Well, I saw how she tried to kick you out of the bathroom and stuff, and then she came at you. I saw.
I don't know what to do with her. And you're dealing, what do you do with these women?
Ignore it.
So,
What do you do?
hey,
Ignore
do we
her?
have her ID?
I can't. You never had one on I want to press charges.
Alright, so she wants to press charges.
So you do want to press charges? Okay. Okay.
I wasn't gonna, but she just keeps coming at me.
I know. So thank you again for sticking around. Just give me a moment. All right, I got some paperwork for you. I'm going to give you an information booklet and some
I don't even
and the
want to
case
do
number.
this. I just want her to stop.
I got you.
What happened?
I was with my mom, who has all of these problems with these ladies, and now everything seems to be okay.
So walk me through what happened in the bathroom, though. Like what?
everything was fine in the bathroom. We went to the bathroom and everything was fine. We went to the restroom and everything was fine. She was just like weird with us, and she was like, "Oh, so you're here with Charlie?" I was like, I mean, we're here with Charlie, but like we're not here with Charlie in like a sexual way. We're just here with Charlie just to like be with Charlie, just because like that was his way of like being like nice to us and just saying like, hey, do you want to come to like the thing with us? And so we went to the thing with Charlie, and then she made it a whole big deal, and I don't even understand why. I don't even understand why, except that she doesn't like my mom. She doesn't like the fact that my mom and Charlie hang out together.
The essence of the investigation. Police gathered statements from the victim and witnesses. The victim stated clearly, "He had been harassing me for 1.5 years, thinking I was his ex's new girlfriend." The perpetrator was said to be jealous of a man named Charlie, who was associated with the victim's group.
What in a nutshell happened that led to all that thing in the bathroom? Because that's the incident we're talking about here. I understand that you guys have beef in the past, but
I can't just say like it just happened today. It's been going on for 18 months. She accosts me frequently. I have a long list on my. I've already reached out to Sergeant Santiago on the horsey. I was like, what do I do with this chick? Because like she just.
But in the bathroom, she just accosted you.
Yes.
In the bathroom.
Yes, but there's been a long-term.
I understand.
Right.
I understand. There's history.
Of history of what she has
But
done.
tonight, all right. So let's say tonight. So yes. So we walk into the bathroom. She's like,
and it's shitty.
Oh, sorry.
And
Sorry.
It's okay.
Sucks that you have to be here for this.
It's okay.
But that's not what we're trying to bring you out here for.
It's okay. We're just doing our job, so don't feel bad for us. We feel bad for you. Are you hurt at all?
I don't think so.
Okay. I mean, I don't see
Here's
any.
the thing. So she goes down and I'm grass. And because she came after me first.
Right.
I've never, ever come after her, and at least 6 times. And I have it all in notes. You want to see it?
No, it's
I have a
okay.
list of witnesses and phone numbers.
Yeah.
I'll take a look at it.
Thank you.
Yeah, but right now,
Sergeant.
I'm just trying to focus on this part. That's
yeah.
why I said no.
Anyway, so she's like trying to shove the door in my face.
Right.
And that's what probably the video is going to say. And
Okay.
I was just like, what the f***? Why are you trying to...
Right.
And she swung at me.
And then after you guys got out of the bathroom, did anything happen there?
No.
So she walked out, and then you were still in the building?
I punched her and she went down.
Uh-huh.
And then I hit her a couple times because I was trying to stop her from...
Police procedures here follow a victim-centered approach, as per Department of Justice guidelines, prioritizing listening to the victim, collecting digital evidence such as videos, and documenting patterns of abuse. This is crucial because 70% of domestic violence cases have a long history, according to the CDC. The victim ultimately decides to press charges.
And they were verbally abusing me, and I tried to shut a door on me, and that justifies my face. Who did this to me? And now I'm going to jail? Who hit me?
I honestly will go over it all.
Who hit me? Because I
Do you have any
no,
contraband or weapons on you?
I don't have anything.
Okay. Come on, honey.
Oh my God, I have nothing.
Eventually, the victim received medical attention, and the perpetrator, the woman in red, was charged with battery. The case is still ongoing. The female witness was released without charge.
Okay. Yes, sir. Just relax for me, okay?
Where is the rest of the video?
I have a video. I don't know what do you mean by rest of it?
Well, how
have it from the beginning.
is me shutting a door on someone